Hello students, Standard 6. Today we are going to start a new chapter in physics. That is the chapter number 13, Fun with Magnets. I hope everybody is familiar with the magnet. So let us know about magnet, how the magnet was first found, what type of magnets are there, etc. So you know that our characters in science like Paheli and Bujo, they went to a place where there was a big pile of the rubbish, means the waste material. Now they saw that a big crane was moving from one side to another side, and then long hand of the crane was lowered to that junk, heap of junk, and when it was began to move, then they saw that lots of lots of pieces of iron was stuck on it, and it moved aloud, it moved away. So now they don't know about it, so it was very new experience for them, and they were wondered that how it happened. And then they read about it and they got the story, and they understand that that was a magnet which was attached with the crane, and because of that magnet the iron pieces, all the articles which are made up of iron were stuck to that magnet attached with that crane. And so they can separate the things which are made up of the iron. So what is actually magnet? The substance having the property of attracting pieces of iron or some other substances are called magnets. So magnets are those substances who have the property of attracting the pieces of iron and some other materials also. So that objects are known as magnets. Now the magnets, maybe you have seen so many magnets, and maybe you played with the magnets also in your houses, in some other places also, maybe in your compass box also there are so many magnets used. When you open the refrigerator and when you close it, you don't close it very hard, but when you close halfway, nearly there, and then the door will close automatically. Why? Because there is a magnet one side, and the other side there is a piece of iron which can attract it, and so the door will be closed. In some, like a purse or your compass box also, on the lid there is a magnet, and down there is a piece of iron, so when you close it, it will be attracted and the compass box will remain closed because of that attraction of that magnet. Similarly, in some offices, when they use that pins, जिन्हें आपण टाकणी बोलिए, so that pins are made up of iron. Now that pins are kept in a special container which have magnet inside, so when you put it there, it will stuck like shown in this picture here. You can see that here there is a compass box. In the refrigerator, everywhere you will see some magnets. So magnets are used in so many things that we use. In some ladies' purse also, when that cover is there to clothes that have also a magnet. So there are different ways we are using magnets, and maybe you have played with the magnet also. In your cupboards also, the doors will be closed because of the magnets everywhere. On the different corner there will be some magnets, so it will remain closed, and without locking also it will not get open. So now these magnets are everywhere. You find that like stickers or some decorative items that you can put it on your refrigerator as a paper holder also. So now the story that how the magnet was found first time. It is a story about it that in the ancient Greece there was a shepherd. Shepherd means that person who grazed the cows and the other cattle. જેને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં ભરવાડ કહીએ. That. So there was a shepherd named Magnus. He was living in the place Magnesia. It was in the ancient Greece. Now he used to take his herd of the sheep and goats for the grazing. Now always he keep a piece of stick at bottom having a magnetic thing. I mean not magnetic thing but a piece of iron. So he would take a stick with him to control his herd. The stick had a small piece of iron attached at one end. So at the one of the end there was a piece of iron was attached. So to control that herd he was using that stick. He was hitting on the stones, on the rocks, so that it can control that goats and the sheep. One day he was surprised to find that he had to pull hard to free his stick from a rock on the mountainside. So while grazing, what he observed that one day, generally what happened when he was sticking it, then the stick was easily coming off. But one day when he struck it on the rock, it was very hard to get that stick back from the rock. It was stuck to that rock. And the rock was actually natural magnet. So how this magnet was found first time? And it because his name was Magnus, that area from which it found was the name is Magnesia, and therefore they give the word magnet to that rock. So that is the story about it, that how the piece of magnet was found. So it is considered that the first magnet was discovered by a shepherd named Magnus who lived in ancient Greece, and the name of the place was Magnesia. So from Magnus and Magnesia they give that pieces of rock which was having the property to attract the piece of iron, and thus the magnet was found first time. So now there are different types of magnets are there, and that magnet first is the natural magnets and the other one is the artificially magnets. So now that natural magnets are those rocks as found by the magnets, and that are the natural rocks which obtained from the nature. Automatically we don't have to make it. So that type of magnets are known as natural magnet. And the magnets can be made from the piece of iron also. So later on the human beings, they discovered by some examples, by some experiments, that from the normal pieces of iron also, by some special method, they can create magnets also. And those magnets are known as artificial magnets. So there are two types of magnets: natural magnets and artificial magnets. Natural magnets are those which are obtained from the nature in the mountains or in the rocks. So which generally contains magnetite, which is the form of iron. So it is naturally occurring rocks which have the property to attract the piece of iron. So that are known as natural magnet, which contains generally the magnetite. So now the other types are the artificial magnets, means the magnets made from the pieces of iron. When some experiments are done on it, and then they find out that we can make the magnets artificially also from the normal piece of iron. So that are known as artificial magnets. Now artificial magnets may be of the different shapes also. Like bar magnet, it is like a piece of iron, like cuboid type. That type of magnet is known as bar magnet. And then the other one is like cylindrical rod, that is known as cylindral magnet. It is in the form of a bar, I mean not bar actually, the rod, shadiya karna hai. So that is known as cylindral magnet. Third one is horseshoe magnet, means it shape is like the horseshoe. That is known as the horseshoe magnet. The other type of magnet is ball magnet, and one is the needle magnet or the magnetic needle. Maybe you have seen the compass, not that compass box, but that compass who have a magnetic needle, and which is used to decide the different directions like east, west, north and south. એને ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે હોકા યંત્ર બી કહેવાય. In the steamers and in the plane and somewhere, generally we know the directions with the help of sun, that in the direction where the sun rise is the east, opposite the west, and then north and south. But sometimes what happens, sun is not available like in the big oceans and in the sky sometimes. So in this situation they have to go in the different spatial direction. In that situation they use that magnetic needle, or which is known as compass, in which the freely rotating needle is there, which has the magnetic power. So that is also known as needle magnet or the magnetic needle, which is used in the compass. So these are the different shapes of the magnets. They are bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, horseshoe magnet, ball magnet, needle magnet. Now the others like oval magnets are also oval type magnets, or that circular ring type magnets. So there are different shapes and sizes of magnets are available also. So that is the story of the magnet. So here we are going to finish today's session, which will be followed by the PDF, and If any problem, confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.